Hi there everybody, I've got some very exciting news to share. Of course, it is November, which means Black Friday sales. And this is our biggest sale of the year, but also the biggest discount that we have ever given. You will get 50% off our Become a Master course, as well as our coveted Discord community, where we share trading ideas and have like-minded people in there working towards their outcomes and goals. You'll receive 3 checklist-based trading strategies, and if you choose to, jump into the Discord group where you'll get live trading floor, which is myself and my traders scanning the market each day for opportunities. We've got over 115 positive Trustpilot reviews, so you know you're in the right place, as well as a money-back guarantee. So why not take the plunge? Get this discount available now for a very short time over this Black Friday sale, and join the community, join your trading, and don't let your dreams be taken away from you.